What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make $100 per day from Google with this one simple trick. Now, before I dive into this and go step by step exactly how this process works, I just want to let you know this will require some work on your part. Now, if you do this correctly, you should be able to make $100 per day within a month to 2 months, and this should be consistent. This should be more passive income as you grow, all right? So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So yes, you can make $100 per day from Google, okay? Google is going to do a lot of the work for you, but you have to do the upfront work. This is your investment. Here's what I want to show you. There are sites out there like this one called Keto Karma. There's more out there like this one called Blog Nation. The reason why I'm showing you this is because you can make money by using the content that they've already created for you, okay? And let me show you what I mean by this. And no, this is not sketchy, this is not scammy, this is not stealing. This is a legitimate business that you can use. So what we are going to be doing is we're going to go and find just these popular sites like Keto Karma or Blog Nation, okay? Something that we have a passion for. We like the topic, so we're going to create content exactly like they are doing, right? Pretty simple. Now here's what I need you to understand is we are going to take their content, we are going to recreate it in our own way, and then we are going to publish it back on the internet, okay? No, it's not stealing, okay? We're not going to spin it, we're not going to copy it, we're not doing any of that stuff. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So here's how it works. So we find a website like ketokarma.com. Then we go to a site called semrush.com and we put in the name, Keto Karma. Here's what we do next. We come down here, and if you get the free version of SEMrush, which I'm on right now, this is pretty much what you're going to get. Okay, it shows you their organic search per month, their backlinks, all that stuff. Here's what we want. We want their top organic keywords because we're going to create a YouTube video on this exact same topic. Okay, here is why this works so well. Okay, because we can do the exact same thing with Blog Nation, and we can come and see, okay, what are they writing about? We can go to semrush.com, go to blognation.com, okay, and come down here and see, okay, they're talking about YouTube camera, how to start a YouTube channel, create Google account, okay? So if we type in how to start a YouTube channel, and we type that into Google, this is where Google's coming in because they're going to send us all the traffic, okay? Right here, the very first thing in the search engine, so right here on the search, is a YouTube video. How to start a successful YouTube channel by my life as Eva. Okay, come down here, more videos. What does this tell you? This tells you that if you create YouTube videos, YouTube and Google, who are owned by the same company, okay, what's going to happen is that they're going to start putting YouTube videos up in the search. Come down here and you find Blog Nation. Here is why I'm telling you to go and find a popular site like this. Okay, let me show it to you. So this right here is my little diagram. Here's what you do. You take a article or some content from their website, you create your own YouTube video right here, okay, that's sending traffic to an affiliate offer, or you're making money with AdSense, or you're sending traffic to your website or whatever it is, okay, you make the video, you publish it on YouTube, but then you email the website owner, the webmaster, whoever owns this, whoever runs the site, and you let them know, hey, I created a video based on your article that you wrote. I did give you credit inside the video. I told my audience that, hey, this video was inspired by Blog Nation. Go check out their article, and you put a little link to it. Okay, so by doing that, you send them a link and let them know, hey, if you're interested and you want to embed that video inside your article, go for it. You're more than welcome to. I did give you credit, just so you know, and yeah, feel free to use it any way that you want to. So what happens is Blog Nation is thinking, oh, cool. I just got a video for my article that I did on how to start a YouTube channel, and it's getting, it can get 18,000 searches per month. So by it getting that many searches per month, and this is ranked number 5, what's going to happen if they put an embedded video from YouTube on their article is chances are it's going to go up in the search. Okay, it may not go to number 1, but may go to number 3, number 4, or stay at number 5 forever. But the goal is, if you create a new video every single day, okay, I mean every single day or multiple videos every single day, what's going to happen is, and you do the exact same thing, is you say, hey, I created this video. If you'd like to embed it on inside your article on your website, go for it. I gave you credit. It's all good. Okay. By doing that, what's going to happen is more people are going to find your videos not only here and here, but they're going to find it when they go and read that article. All right. So if that's what somebody does, they come here and they're reading and reading. And oh, here's a video. Let me click it and play. Click. Okay, so what happens is they watch your video, and by you getting more views on your video, you're going to make more money from it, from Google AdSense. You're going to get more subscribers. You can get more people that are actually engaged in your content that you're creating, even though it's on this person's website. They're going to see it as, oh, I'm going to go over to YouTube and watch more of that person's video. Cool. Okay, so if you took the exact same thing right here, we're going to copy that, and we do a video on that right here on Google or on YouTube, here's what's going to happen. So now over on YouTube, because we're getting traffic from Google itself because we're here, okay? We're getting traffic from Vlog Nation because that's where our video was on. It's embedded on their site. But we're also getting traffic from YouTube itself, okay? By having a video that is surrounded by other popular channels. Think Media, video influencers, Alicia Marie, what else? Raven Elise, Brightside, Gillian Perkins, all these other YouTubers and bloggers. What's going to happen is you're going to get more traffic. So the likelihood of you making more money through AdSense is going to go up. But also, if you are doing a video on keto, okay, right here, or you're doing something on how to start a YouTube channel. If you want to start a YouTube channel, what you need is a vlogging camera, right? So probably what they're doing here is they're recommending a camera, or hopefully they are. If not, you can recommend a camera as the number 6 tip, your personal favorite, and you recommend a certain camera. Maybe you're recommending the Canon G7X, or you're recommending a Sony camera, whatever it is. You're recommending a camera and you're adding a link, okay? You can see up here on my computer, it's called Amazon Associate Site Stripe. If I click, well, I'm not clicking on earnings, but what happens is if I click here, it's going to bring up a text link, and I take that link and I paste it inside my YouTube video, okay? Inside the description box. And by doing that, what happens is people may click on it. They may go buy this camera right here for $99. If they do, you make a small percentage of it. I think you get like 4%. Okay, not bad. You make like $4 off it. Okay, but what if they bought more stuff? All right, so that is that aspect of it. But like I said, what if you had a website you're promoting to, or an affiliate offer other than Amazon? So here's what I recommend. If you have a website, or you're thinking about creating a website, I'd recommend it because it will help. What most people don't know about the Google search is if you have an embedded video inside your article over on your website, it should push you up in the searches. Okay, it may not take you from number 50 to number 1, but it may take you from number 25 to 12 or 13 or 14. It will push you up by having one video embedded into your article over on your website. So here's what I recommend you do. Go and start a website. Whether you start one on Wix or it doesn't matter, over on WordPress, go and start a website. But you're probably wondering, how do I create a website, and then how do I do all this work without being overloaded, without running out of time? Here's a trick that I have for you. Go over to Google, okay, go to your Google account and you click on Docs. Go to Google Docs. From there, click on Tools, go to Voice Typing. Here's what's going to happen. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. Let me talk in my microphone for a second. So once you're here, we're going to click on this button that says click to speak. I'm going to do that and I'm going to talk, and it's going to type everything that I say right here. The best part about this strategy is you don't have to do all the typing yourself. You can have Google Docs do it all for you, period. If this is something that you really want to do, I highly recommend it, and do it right now, period. The best part about this is that it's absolutely free, period. And you don't have to type at all, period. How do you like that? The best part about the strategy is you don't have to do all the typing yourself, okay, blah, blah, blah. Same thing I just said, but Google Docs typed it up for me. That's what I'm talking about. You can leverage YouTube, you can leverage somebody else's website, you can send them an email, send them a comment, whatever, and get that video embedded on their article. Plus, okay, they're sending you more traffic, and you're sending your traffic that's coming from YouTube and from their website over to your affiliate offer or your website, and you're leveraging Google Docs. Okay, you're leveraging the power of the internet and the tools that are around you. That's what I recommend. So if you're ready to make $100 per day from Google, use this simple trick. Okay, create a YouTube video based on somebody else's article, then give them credit and let them know, hey, I gave you credit, I created this video, hopefully you like it. If you do, make sure you go and embed it onto your video or into your article. It should push you up in the searches a little bit. Okay, very simple, right? And then go and create an actual website where you can funnel all your traffic. Okay, put more Google AdSense ads. You can put more affiliate links. You can do sponsorships. You can do all sorts of stuff because it's your website. You can do whatever you want with it. With YouTube, you're going to be making money with affiliate marketing and with Google AdSense once you get to that 1,000 subscriber mark and 4,000 hours of watch time. It will take a little bit, but you'll get there. The whole point right now is to make money through affiliate marketing such as Amazon or Target or Walmart or places like that where you can actually leverage the products that they sell or the services they offer, and you can make money because of it. All right? Now I know what you're thinking. That sounds like a lot of work, and honestly it is a lot of work. However, break it all down. Find that website, create the content, okay, send them an email so that they can know about it. Okay, they embed the video into their article. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Okay, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. The majority of the time, about 80% of the time, they are not going to do anything with it. However, you have that content. It's up on your YouTube channel. It's getting a little bit of traffic. It's getting some views. You're good to go. Okay, but the last thing is you need to create a website that can also be found over on YouTube or over on Google, so that traffic can come to your own site, see that video that you did, not that you published on somebody else's site. That's just a quick way to get some fast views, all right, and to push you up the searches over on YouTube itself. But the website is something that you're creating that's going to be long term. So like I said, it may take a month or two doing this exact same strategy before you start reaching a consistent $100 per day from Google alone. But if you do this, okay, do this for at least 1 month, for the next 30 days, make a commitment to yourself. Yes, I'm going to do this. I'm going to be successful. I want to make $100 per day from Google. At some point, this will turn into a passive income, especially if you're creating evergreen content, which means it's content that's not just relevant today, it's relevant tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, 5 years from now, and even 10 years from now. If it's still relevant, that video that you created, that article that you wrote, is still going to be making you money to this day. All right? So if you have any questions on the strategy, let me know down in the comment section below. I do this. Okay, this is how I started. I started with the websites. I started with SEO. Started with making money through affiliate marketing, Google AdSense, so I understand what it's all about. But if you need help, again, let me know down in the comment section below. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe if you haven't done so already and you want to see more awesome videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one.